Earth, the only home, not just for us humans, but also for animals, plants, and small creatures that we can't even see with our naked eyes. Humans always interact to each other to get their daily needs like food, water, electricity, and etc. But do plants and animals have their own interactions too? What are those interactions? What roles do they have in those interactions? Are the non-living elements are in those interactions too, like air, soil, and water? Biodiversity is a short form for biological diversity, refers to the variability and varieties of life forms on Earth. Biodiversity is crucial because it underpins the functioning of ecosystems, providing varieties ecological, economic, and cultural benefits. And in this video, we will talk about the varieties of species from Malaysia that we have found in AINA wetlands.
The first species in AINA wetland are estuarine crocodile, also known as buaya tembaga. Their scientific names are Crocodile foraces. They eat small and big animals and fishes. They are carnivorous and they can only be found inhabiting river mouth and swampy areas. It's around 200 to 1000 kg for male adult and 270 kg to 100 kg for female adult, and they can walk around 24 to 29 km per hour. Or saltwater crocodile is an award winner, taking out the honor as the largest species crocodile as well as the largest living reptile in the world. Estuarine crocodiles, also a top predator of its environment and a large specimen that consider human as potential prey. Fun fact about these crocodiles. The first one is they have the strongest bite. Then, their night versions are good and they are mostly nocturnal hunters. Next, then crocodiles are closely related to the birds and dinosaurs and classified as reptiles. Lastly, crocodiles' jaw muscles for opening its mouth are so small and weak that humans only use their bare hand to keep it closed.
A wallaby, desperate for a midday drink. The reptile's approach is silent. The wallaby wanders into the boss croc's kill zone. The beast hurtles from the water at 12 miles per hour. He can't move his jaw from side to side and chew like a human. The only way to break up his kill is to shake the carcass to shreds. The crocs each return to their home among the mangroves.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Danish Abdal and today I want to talk about the importance of crocodile to Malaysian ecosystem. Firstly, crocodile help maintain biodiversity by balancing the population of fish and small mammals. This ensures a healthy and thriving ecosystem. Okay, furthermore, their presence also attracts eco-tourists, providing opportunities for local communities and supporting conservation efforts. Lastly, studying crocodiles teaches us about the intricate of web life and contributes to our understanding of broader ecological system.
As we know, there is a variety of biodiversity in Malaysia, so it has become our collective responsibility to preserve and maintain the survival of this biodiversity. But how can we do it? First, the Worldwide Fund for Nature (WWF) has collaborated with decision makers in federal and state government to support initiatives such as the gazetting of Saltwater and developing materials for biodiversity-friendly infrastructure development. This is important because the diversity of the life is guaranteed when a place has been gazetted. Second, the role of biodiversity conservation and management in Malaysia is the responsibility of both the federal and the state government. However, much of this power rests in the state, with land, forests, rivers, and even territories falling under the state jurisdiction. The federal government, however, can set policies on biological diversity and implement nationwide intervention and program. One such program includes the 100 million tree planting campaign designed to replant degraded areas and encourage public participation in reaching the campaign's target. Lastly, we can plant local flower, fruits and vegetables. We can research the flora, fruits and lettuce native to our area and plant a variety in our backyard or a hanging garden. We should be able to tell you where the source they are planted from. The more local, the better. By supporting local wildlife, you are helping to preserve the biodiversity of your area and support its local ecosystem.
The loss of biodiversity is a serious threat. But why is biodiversity important? And why should this one particular species be protected? Biodiversity is life, with all those different plants and animals, and that keeps each other beautifully in balance. But if you remove one block and another block, the tower becomes more and more unstable, and eventually it falls over. When an ecosystem collapses, nature no longer functions. Important functions are lost, such as water purification by the soil, CO2 storage by trees, temperature regulation by vegetation, and the natural habitat for species disappears. A collapsed system can have major consequences. More extreme weather conditions, such as erosion and flooding. In addition, it is very difficult to regain all biodiversity. Rebuilding a tower takes a long time and requires a lot of knowledge. That is why biodiversity is so important. That's why we have to be careful about it.
So, what can we conclude from crocodile in Malaysian ecosystem? So, we know that by balancing the coexistence of crocodiles and human is crucial. Conservation efforts ensure that the safety of both communities and these vital guardians of our waters. In the end, the crocodiles of Malaysia symbolize not just the resilience of a species, but the delicate dance between the nature and community. A dance that, when choreographed with care, ensures a harmonious future for all. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you.